Now that I've resawn my two boards for the coasters, and I verified that they're the same thickness, I can send them through the planer. Now, if your boards are not the same thickness, you'll have to set this process up for each board by setting the height of the planer and then sending the board through. Since these are the same thickness, I only have to set the height of the planer one time. Set the edge of the board underneath the stop and slowly move the planer bed up until it bumps against the stop, and then go one full turn down. Make sure when you're planing that the rough side faces up. You should see lines going across the grain this way from the resawing process. We want to plane those off with the planer. Send one board through and then send the other through right behind it. If you did a good job resawing, both these boards should be smooth and the exact same thickness right now. If you still see some spots on here where there's some bandsaw marks, they're called kerf marks, lines that are going across like this, half turn up, send the board through again. Okay, we want to make sure that both sides are totally smooth. This is the easiest time to do that. If we go on to the next step and start cutting parts out when they're not smooth, it's going to take a lot of sanding later on to do the same thing you could do in just one pass on the planer.